Chief Justice Lucas Bersamin underscored several of his reforms as he assumed his term in the Supreme Court. Mai Bermudez tells us why.
Chief Justice Lucas Bersamin spoke before the stakeholders during the culmination of judicial reforms project by the Supreme Court earlier, and jump-starting his 11-month stint, he underscored several priorities in the High Court under his watch, starting with the revision of the rules of court that for so long has been used in the justice system.
This is the main body of our procedural law, and this is entrusted only to the Supreme Court to modify or revise or amend, improve. We have often discussed in the Supreme Court the need for revisions, massive revisions, especially with the initiatives, the priorities given to us by Abaroli.
The new Chief Justice also highlighted the importance of giving the marginalized sector access to free legal service for the poor, as he plans to tap law schools and law students to extend assistance to the poor.
We may initiate in the Supreme Court certain steps in order to translate these gains that we learn from them into reality.
Bersamin also noted the importance of having the lower courts benefit from infrastructure development and enhancement of their utilities, adding that as the highest court of the land, the Supreme Court must be independent.
We are part of a sovereign nation, the judiciary. But our role is to be an independent judiciary. We cannot always go to the two other branches of government in order to have their assistance. That is why our development partners have been very important to the Philippine judicial system.
Bersamin takes on the 11-month journey as the Chief Justice, with his retirement on October next year. And with his track record of 32 years in serving the judiciary, the 69-year-old highest court magistrate vows and hopes that Filipinos will achieve speedier justice. Mai Bermudez, UNTV News and Rescue, Manila.
President Rodrigo Duterte has expressed his intention to appoint outgoing Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff General Carlito Galvez Jr. as the next presidential peace advisor. According to presidential spokesperson Salvador Panelo, the president mentioned this during his cabinet meeting on Tuesday night. If the planned appointment pushes through, Galvez, who is set to retire on December 12, will replace former presidential peace advisor Jess Dureza. Dureza resigned from his post after the president fired two of his subordinates due to corruption allegations.